7 Best Side Hustles to Make $500 per Day in 2025. Want to make an extra $500 per day? Side hustles are the best way to earn money online without quitting your job. Today, I'll share 7 best side hustles in 2024 that can help you achieve financial freedom. 1. Freelancing. Upwork and Fiverr. Freelancing is one of the fastest ways to earn money. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer allow you to sell skills like graphic design, writing, video editing, or coding. 2. YouTube automation. No need to show your face. With YouTube automation, you can create videos using AI, hire a voiceover artist, and outsource editing. Channels make $10,000 plus per month using this method. 3. Print on demand. Etsy and Redbubble. With print on demand, you upload a design and websites like Redbubble, Teespring, and Etsy sell it for you without handling inventory or shipping. 4. Dropshipping. Shopify. Dropshipping is a million-dollar business model where you sell products without keeping inventory. Shopify plus AliExpress makes it easy. 5. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing lets you earn commissions by promoting products. Websites like Amazon, ClickBank, and Digistore24 pay huge commissions. 6. Virtual assistant jobs. Many companies hire virtual assistants for admin tasks like email management and scheduling. Websites like Belay and Fancy Hands offer great opportunities. 7. Online tutoring and coaching. If you have a skill, teach it online. Platforms like Teachable, Udemy, and Skillshare pay thousands to good instructors. Conclusion and call to action. Which side hustle will you start first? Tell me in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more money-making tips.